It is a Thursday afternoon. You are at work, not doing anything dramatic, just sitting at your desk, or standing where you stand, or driving where you drive. Doing the thing you do every day that produces the money that runs your life. And at some point during that Thursday afternoon, between one task and the next, in the gap where the mind wanders, a thought appears. How many more of these Thursdays are there? Not asked with bitterness, not with resentment, just as a quiet arithmetic question that sits in the back of your mind and waits. If you retire at 67, and most people do, you have roughly 45 working years from the age of 22. That is approximately 2,340 Thursdays left. If you retire at 57, 10 years earlier, you have roughly 35 working years. That is approximately 1,820 Thursdays. The difference is 520 Thursdays. 520 days you could spend doing exactly what you want, not what your employer needs, not what a government timeline allows, not what a system designed for the average person decided for you. This video is how you buy those Thursdays back. Not through luck, not through an extraordinary income, through a system. 5 components, all available to you right now. None of them taught in school. The financial education system teaches you almost nothing about retirement. Not because retirement planning is complicated, because a population that understands how to retire early is a population that stops working earlier, which is not in the interest of every institution that benefits from your continued employment and consumption. Nobody told you that retirement is not an age. It is a number, a specific, calculable, achievable number that has nothing to do with how old you are. Nobody taught you the 4% rule, the research-backed principle that if you can live on 4% of your invested assets per year, those assets will sustain you indefinitely. Which means retirement is not about age. It is about accumulating 25 times your annual living expenses. That is the entire framework. Everything else in this video is the path to that number. I want to introduce you to Nadia. Nadia is 28 years old, Black female, registered nurse in Houston, Texas. She earns $72,000 per year, approximately $4,800 per month after tax. She does not come from money, no inheritance coming. $8,400 in student loan debt remaining. $3,200 in a Roth IRA she opened 2 years ago. She has one specific financial intention. She wants to retire at 57. Not because she hates nursing, because she wants the option to stop on her own timeline. She has already calculated her number. The annual lifestyle she wants in retirement costs approximately $48,000 per year in today's money. 25 times, that is $1,200,000. That is her target. Nadia is 28. She wants to retire at 57. She has 29 years. Here is the system that gets her there. Component 1, calculate your number, the foundation of everything. The first and most important step in early retirement planning is a number most people never calculate. Your FIRE number. Financial Independence Retire Early. The formula is simple. Annual retirement living expenses multiplied by 25 equals your FIRE number. Nadia wants to live on $48,000 per year in retirement. 48,000 multiplied by 25 equals $1,200,000. That is her number. Everything she does financially from this point has one purpose: reaching that specific number. Now, I want you to calculate yours. What does your retirement life actually cost? Not the lavish version, not the deprived version, the specific, realistic, meaningful life you want to live. Add it up. Multiply by 25. That is your number. And it is achievable if you start the system. The question is not whether it is achievable. The question is how long it takes and how much of the system you implement. Component 2. The savings rate is the throttle, not the income. The single most powerful lever in early retirement planning is the savings rate, not the income, the savings rate. Here is the data most people never see. At a 10% savings rate, approximately 43 years to retirement. At 20%, approximately 37 years. At 30%, approximately 28 years. At 40%, approximately 22 years. At 50%, approximately 17 years. At 60%, approximately 12 years. Nadia earns $4,800 per month after tax. Her current expenses are $2,900. Her current savings rate is approximately 40%. At this rate, she retires in approximately 22 years, at age 50, 7 years earlier than her target, which means she has room to increase her lifestyle and still hit 57 comfortably. The savings rate is the throttle. More savings equals faster retirement, and the income is almost irrelevant compared to the percentage you keep. Component 3. The investment vehicle stack, where the money goes. Saving money is not enough. The money must be invested in the right vehicles, in the right order, to produce the compound growth that makes early retirement mathematically possible. Here is the early retirement investment stack. Step 1. Employer 401k up to the full match. Free money first, always. Nadia's employer matches 4%. She contributes at least 4%. Step 2. HSA, Health Savings Account, if available. The most tax-advantaged account in the American Tax Code. Triple tax advantage, contributions tax-free, growth tax-free, medical withdrawals tax-free. For early retirees, healthcare before 65 is a major expense. The HSA is essential. Step 3. Roth IRA up to the annual limit. This is the bridge account for early retirees. Contributions, not earnings, can be withdrawn at any time without penalty. For someone retiring before 59 and a half, this access matters enormously. Step 4. Maximize 401k contributions above the match. Step 5. Taxable brokerage account in low-cost index funds for any additional savings beyond tax-advantaged limits. This is the stack. The order matters for tax efficiency and early retirement access specifically. Nadia implements the stack immediately. 4% to 401k for the match. Maximum HSA contribution. Roth IRA fully funded. Additional savings into a brokerage account. Every dollar working in the right vehicle at the right time. Component 4. The gap widening strategy, accelerating the timeline. The gap between what you earn and what you spend is the engine of early retirement. The wider the gap, the faster the timeline. There are 2 ways to widen the gap. Nadia uses both. The expense reduction strategy. Nadia reviews every expense with one question. What does this purchase cost me in retirement years? Every $200 reduction in monthly expenses, invested instead, accelerates her retirement timeline by approximately 8 months. She identifies $400 per month in expenses she can reduce without materially affecting her quality of life. That is 8 months of retirement timeline she just bought back. Or $18,000 per year going into her investment stack instead of leaving it. The income growth strategy. Nadia's professional skill, nursing, is in enormous demand. She identifies 3 ways to increase income without requiring a career change: travel nursing assignments, weekend overtime, and a per diem nursing arrangement. Adding $1,000 per month to her investment stack from increased income, at 8% compound return over 29 years, adds approximately $141,000 to her final portfolio. The early retirement equation is simple. More gap equals faster freedom. Component 5. The rule of 72 and why starting today beats starting right. The rule of 72 states that money doubles every 72 divided by the rate of return years. At 8% average return, money doubles approximately every 9 years. Nadia, at 28, has $3,200 already invested in her Roth IRA. Without adding a single additional cent, that $3,200 becomes approximately $6,400 by age 37, $12,800 by age 46, $25,600 by age 55, $51,200 by age 64. That $3,200 she has already invested becomes over $50,000 by traditional retirement age, without touching it, without adding to it, just by existing and compounding. The lesson is not about the $3,200. It is about what happens to every dollar she invests today. Every dollar doubled twice, 3 times, 4 times over the remaining time until her retirement target. And the second critical lesson of this component, starting imperfectly today, is infinitely better than starting perfectly later. Nadia does not need to implement the full system today. She needs to start it today, even at a lower savings rate than optimal, even without fully understanding every vehicle, even with the student loan debt still being paid. Because the clock, not the amount, is the most powerful element in this entire equation. Let me show you what the complete system produces for Nadia. 28 years old, $72,000 salary, $3,200 already invested, 40% savings rate. By age 35, approximately $89,000 invested. By age 40, approximately $178,000. By age 45, approximately $340,000. By age 50, approximately $590,000. By age 57, approximately $1,200,000. Her number, reached at 57, not luck, not inheritance, not an extraordinary income, a system, 5 components, 29 years of consistency. The next time you have that Thursday afternoon thought, how many more of these are there, you will have an answer. Not an estimate, not a hope, a calculation. Nadia will retire at 57. Most people she knows will retire at 67. The difference between Nadia and those people is not income. It is not education. It is not luck. It is that Nadia knows her number. She knows her savings rate. She knows where the money goes. She knows how to widen the gap. And she knows that the clock matters more than the amount. 5 things. That is the entire system. 520 Thursdays. All of them yours. What is your number?